Hello everyone, good afternoon. This channel has just been created. It is called the Ultimate Skills Empire. We created this channel to give you the very skills, to teach you those skills that you need in your marketing skills, like the whiteboard animation, the text animation, the 3D animation, and the Facebook advertising strategies, the mini importation, mini exportation, even logo designs and graphic designs in general. And these classes will be holding right here on the channel. What you do now is to subscribe on this channel, click on the bell button to get our updates once we post a new video. All right, so this class will be taken from the scratch and we will not jump any session. We will teach you from the scratch and you get to know everything, both the advanced, the basic, and everything. So just subscribe to this channel and you get to know everything we are going to be teaching you. Thank you so much. I remain Gospel Innocent. Ultimate Skills Empire. Subscribe now. And also we need your commitment, determination, and willing to learn. These skills we're going to teach you for free here. They are not free, they are paid, but we're giving you to you free because we want to invest in your life. We want you to get value from this channel. Subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell button so you get updates on all our videos once it's uploaded. Don't miss any of our videos. All right, and Ultimate Skills Empire, empower for excellence. See you there.